I wanted to say thank you for over 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the support. The nice comments and messages does not go unnoticed. Anyway, in this video, I'll be doing a scrunchie tutorial because I'm kind of running out of video ideas. Please comment what types of videos you'd like to see from me, whether it be like smaller projects like this, or if you want to see longer form projects like how to sew a trench coat, or if you want to see, I don't know, fashion, manufacturing, check packs and flats. There's so much I could cover. Please let me know because my channel is having an identity crisis. I have a variety of fabrics and 2 different types of elastic. I'll be doing 4 inches by 18 inches. Take your elastic, place it on the right side of the fabric, fold the fabric in half, and you'll start sewing at 1/4 inch. Continue to sew while catching the elastic. Get one of these, a loop turner. Put the loop turner all the way in, feed it in. You could also do this with a safety pin. Hook it onto the edge, close the clasp, and now turn the scrunchie inside out. Fold the raw edge over, take a thread and needle, close this seam by hand. I take a very small piece of fabric from this side and a small piece of fabric from the other side with my needle so I can get a nice blind hem. This is scrunchie number 1. For scrunchie number 2, you're going to take a piece of elastic, measure it around your wrist, and cut. The next step will be to fold it flat and you'll stitch it. You can do a zigzag stitch or a very small straight stitch so it doesn't snap. And then you will follow the same exact steps as the scrunchie. These are the scrunchies. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.